Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a 2002 format duel. As you can see, these decks are very odd. Yes, Solemn Judgment came out in 2002. It came out in Metal Raiders? I want to say it was Metal Raiders. I'm here with my wife again, waiting for her to make her move.
I'm thinking, okay?
Also, I turned on my webcam, because also we're playing by the old text of cards. So Witch of the Black Wars and whatnot is the old text. Not that Witch of the Black Wars' effect would really matter that much. Is it good?
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't know what your face on is. It could be Solemn Judgment. I take control of it. Anyway, so yeah, I turned off my camera, to see me. That way it won't lag up the video as much. I'm hoping. Ooh, excuse me, I'm drinking Dr. Pepper. And, it made me warp.
Why is it always spiders?
Okay, Ron. So anyway, yeah, this is, okay. Target. I'm assuming you're not gonna target MST. That'd be, I don't know, dumb. Alright, I gotta flip a coin. Oh, I didn't call it. Tails. Okay. Tails. Wow. What the fuck? I got it right twice in a row.
I get my monster back.
Oh, yep, yes you do. Hoping I could keep it. I apologize for that. Nope.
Aw, that's not nice.
You're not nice. That wasn't nice. You're trying to take control of my gumbo. Indefinitely. Hell no, I'm not gonna let you do that. Are you mad? And of course, I'm gonna lose because I don't know how I'm gonna get on to my I am so glad I snatched to that fucker. That would have sucked bad. I'll start to see what I draw. Really? I need to start logging out of YouTube when I'm doing... log out on my Facebook when I'm doing YouTube videos from now on. You are correct, ma'am. It won't affect the tag. Oh, I forgot to call it heads.
We both die.
Yes, they do. But, wait. How did I...
You probably got them confused.
I know. It doesn't matter. They're both... That was my brother talking about some magic. Yes, I play magic. Cause I'm a nerd. So, what do you think of Solemn Judgment? Babe? Hun? Babe? What do you think of Solemn Judgment?
Oops, I didn't mean to do that.
Okay. Flip? You gotta call it heads. So what do you think of Solemn Judgment? Babe?
You would open with that.
She won. Barely. Because I kept Solemn Judgment. Using Solemn Judgment. Take control. She's gonna have like 400 left, and then it's gonna return to her during the end phase. I was like really hoping I drew a monster because it would have been game. $32?
I know. You get a chance to
Actually,
try again.
I'm supposed to flip a coin too. Tails.
Okay. Does that get effect from that?
No.
Nope. It's from the film.
Yeah. She has it. I got instruction that you do a pot. Activate it? I'm curious. Draw 2? What? Dog, oh, happy sword! Wow! Man, I'm glad I didn't have back row. Do you know how devastating that would have been? That was legit. 2012 wasn't the best plays against anything that wasn't, Chaos Dragons. So, I lost because I had to pay like 2 or 3 Solemn Judgments. Yeah, these were actually really good cards. To out big monsters without having to play a big monster yourself.
Oh, is it my turn?
Yes, you're blue.
Okay, then.
Mm-hmm. Jeez. Okay. Okay.
You have to flip your monster face up.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Destroy.
Wait a second. I'm waiting. Jeez.
Flip. Destroy target monster. Oh, you're reading swords?
Yeah, I was reading. I know what this does. Okay.
Also, you're in main phase 1. Okay. That's 1 turn. Wait, oh no, no it's not, not yet. Not till my end phase. Yeah, no, thank you. It's 28.50. Actually, that's 2 turns, by the way. That's important. So at the end of my turn, that's it. What? Let me pull up my calculator. So let's see what it says. Hold on. Sorry guys. Double the original attack. So if the original attack is 1850, so it's basically 1850 plus 1850 plus 1850.
You can't attack.
No, but I can have a big ass monster on field. 5,550 attack points.
How much?
My apologies. 6,550 attack. And before you even think about it, no. I'm not gonna let you Wall of Illusion it back to my hand. Am I allowed to switch the position with this turn? I don't know. It's not a summon, so I should be able to, right? Not that it matters much. And that's it for swords. During your standby phase, you gain 1,000. And then she dark holds me. Summons a monster of a game. That would be incredible considering she only has 2 cards. One of which is a very specific card. So. Did not top deck sort of MST. How would you feel? Wait, who are you attacking? Why?
Oh, wait. Never mind.
I'm gonna let her take that back. She doesn't understand this format well. My turn? That would just return it to your hand. I mean, it really wouldn't do anything, really. Because, like, she could just go to main phase 2 and normal summon it again. One. That's gonna be helpful. I'm not gonna use it there. This would be better.
Oh, I was supposed to gain 1,000.
Yep. 2 turns. And next turn is it for the swords. And then she draws a... Oh, wait, no. It was at 2 at the time, so... Wait, what? What are you doing? Wait, it's not lagging for me, really. Mm-hmm. Which is good, because it helps my Megamorph stay intact. Although, I must say that this is getting really hard to do that much damage to you. Oh, my bad. I forgot to set this. Destroy. See, that's the cool thing about bundles like this. You don't... you can take shit back. This is fun. Okay. Throw a monster in the grave? Oh, okay. Wait, I'm thinking. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Go to grave. Thinking. $11.50. Fucking bullshit. Of course you fucking have the solemn judgment. I'm losing to a fucking bad player. No offense, Sunny. But she's very new to Yu-Gi-Oh! And I'm losing. I suck at this fucking year as well. I should just like stop making YouTube videos.
You don't suck, honey.
Yes, I do. I'm losing to you. In a format you have no idea what the fuck you're doing. It's obvious you don't. You're just getting very lucky. Didn't you win last night too?
Yeah.
Like all 3 rounds? Or 2 rounds?
Yeah.
No, honestly, I fucking lost because of swords. I couldn't fucking do shit for 6 turns. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Y'all may or may not see me tomorrow. This is TheJinzo signing out. Good night.